Anytime you reach a story problem, read it very carefully and identify what the numbers are referring to. Boy and his dad went to visit his grandparents. They lived 240 miles away. Okay, that's an important number right there. It took them 6 hours to drive. Okay, the return trip only took them 4 hours. How much faster was Malik's dad driving on the way home? Well, in order to know that, we need to know how fast we were driving there and how fast we were driving back. Well, you are probably pretty familiar with how the rate as far as driving is indicated. It's always indicated as miles per hour. Okay, that means miles is on top and hour is on bottom. Miles per hour. And so you can take how many miles. He drove 240 miles and it took him 6 hours. And if you do that calculation, 240 divided by 6, you can find out how fast they drove there. 240 divided by 6 is 40 miles an hour. 40 miles per hour, or we could write it as mph, miles per hour. I'm going to leave it like this. Then you can do the same thing again. If they drove 240 miles in 4 hours, we can figure out what their speed was when they were driving back. It'd be 240 miles divided by 4 hours. Now, your answer isn't going to be what that is or what this is. It's going to be the difference between them, because they didn't say how fast did they drive there, and they didn't say how fast did they drive back. They said, how much faster did he drive back than he drove there? So you're going to have to figure that out. So make sure that you are understanding the numbers and then you're understanding what the final question is they want you to ask.